Quick Label visited Quick Fitting in Warwick, Rhode Island, maker of Quick Connect fittings and valves, to see how they've been able to print perfect plumbing labels on a just-in-time basis using their Kiaro inkjet label printer.
My name is David Crompton. I'm the President and CEO of Quick Fitting. We manufacture push connect plumbing technology where you quite simply take a fitting and you push it onto a copper tube and it creates a permanent seamless connection in a few seconds. We looked at the technology as it existed in the marketplace today. If you've soldered in the past and you've had a lot of experience, it was very simple for you to do a connection. But the reality of the technology is most of us don't have that skill set. So we looked at creating a product that would have an extremely long life, very easy use, and something that they could put on and take off if for some reason they didn't install it properly. It's relatively simple that you just have to push the fitting onto the tube and it creates a connection, but it surprises a lot of people. Quite often someone who's new to the technology, they'll install it for the first time, they'll put it on the tube and they'll sit there for a while trying to figure out why it's not coming off. We were purchasing all of our labels from outside vendors. In order to ensure that we had the label in stock when the customer wanted the order, we started to order more and more labels. So, i.e. we had more and more paper and more expense on the shelf. The Kiaro gave us the ability to get exactly what we needed, create those labels just in time, and it cut our cost on those labels by about 40%. Our products are sold in retail stores such as Lowe's, Tractor Supply, some Ace Hardware stores across the U.S., some True Value stores across the U.S. There are some pretty strict retail standards that we have to meet with barcodes and Ziplocs and packaging and the style of packaging. As a matter of fact, some of our customers are extremely particular to where they'll have committees or teams that evaluate the final packaging and will go through a bunch of steps before they actually allow it into the retail store for distribution. The Kiaro labels look phenomenal. The quality of the label that we get from the Kiaro in-house is as good, if not better, and more consistent than labels that we were getting from the outside. It allows us a flexibility that we didn't have in the past. If we ran out of labels in the course of a day, and we were even short 30 labels, we were short from completing a shipment. We had to expedite labels in order to complete that shipment. With the Kiaro, we just simply walk over to the unit, print out some more labels, they complete the shipment, and it's out the door. We were pleasantly surprised. We were looking at several different products and we found out that the Kiaro was an inkjet, and we had this outdated belief that the inkjet technology couldn't produce a label that compared to what we could get printed from an outside printed source. And we were wrong. The label is absolutely phenomenal. The resolution is quite perfect, and we don't have any issues with smudge or washout or anything like that.
My name is Eric Sanchez. My title is Production Coordinator. Kiaro label is very durable. We actually did a water test on it when we first purchased it to see if it would withstand what we intended for. So yes, it is very durable and you should use it.
What the Kiaro did for us out of the gate was gave us the ability to do just in time on our labels. We now can take a production run that we're going to run that day, run it through the Kiaro system, have those labels distributed out to the machine, and those operators will just take those labels and put them on the package. We don't build up our inventory anymore. We don't have any dead money sitting on the shelf. It's been absolutely phenomenal.